today. Oh, I look cute as heck. So a skirt, a pleated skirt, schoolwear skirt, my fat stomach, my button up, orange cardigan, and you guys, isn't this a cute tote bag? Look at it. It's so cute. And I'm wearing my heart hat. What's your outfit of today?
My broken shirt.
A nice broken button-up shirt, a Columbia sweater,
Yep.
khakis, and dress shoes.
Dirty shoes.
And we got our rings. What's your ring?
Power Ranger.
Good morning, 다시 날이 밝아 당연하게 늦추어지진 않더라 But today, present is given 좀만 더 힘을 내 I'm here for you I let your day be Remember your glow You're not just a show you're in Oh, keep your good hair that shines in you Oh.
You guys, the sun is out. What the damn hell? This morning, I woke up early because I wanted to see the sunrise. But no, it didn't come out until like 10 a.m. What the fuck? Came back to the hotel because my dumb self forgot to put my wallet into my cute ass tote bag.
Tell them to like, hey, look out your balcony.
All the skyways are closed on the weekends, apparently. We didn't know that, so now we're just walking in the streets. Everything's looking nice, but there's a lot of updates in downtown, so I don't know what's new and what's old. Are you having fun?
It's different, man.
ขอบเราเดีย
I got to.
겨울이 오길 기다리는 아이처럼 내 맘에 널 그려 포근했던 나의 온기 눈을 닮아서 You're falling quietly piling up in my heart 우리 안의 모든 것 fade out 된 것처럼 너와 나의 세상 속에 계절을 보내 첫날 오는 날널 만나는 그날 차가운 네 공기조차 날 설레게 On the first snowy day I will
You guys, look at my husband. He's here. He's holding on for his dear life.
You're scared too.
But I'm like far back though, okay? You are like...
I want to see what they have on. I'm scared too though.
He's so dumb.
It's gonna fall.
Guys, I'm so scared. Like, we were walking, I was like this. This is how I'm walking on top of the tower. I'm walking like this, very baby steps. It's so scary up here, but it's very gorgeous up here. The clouds are beautiful. My heart. Let's go.
Oh God, you want?
Oh,
Man,
oh no. How was it?
it's scary.
Yeah,
Pretty cool though.
me too. So we're at a sushi train joint, and I don't eat sushi, but I'm here for the appetizer. But you guys, this is a cool experience. And I got a Pepsi because my sugar is running low, I guess. My husband just glared at me. Why you look at me like that?
We ate a freaking fat cinnamon roll earlier.
And what time is it now? That was like at 10, 11.
It's only 2:45.
Only 2? Go for it.
We'll try these Cajun.
Is it?
널 다시 만났던 그날 하필이면 꾸미지도 않았는데 눈이 마주친 순간 빨개진 너의 얼굴이 아직 날 좋아하나 살짝 궁금해.
We are back at the hotel and everything was walking distance, so it wasn't so bad. But you guys, look, I got sauce on my white shirt. The majority of everything on the weekend is closed. We didn't know that. Like, even the T-Mobile here was closed. But I had to change it to something close and play my game, y'all. My feet hurt me so much and I need to pee. BRB.
담담하게 넌 무뚝뚝한 말투로 미안하고 고마웠다 말하네.
Second outfit of the day. I'm wearing the same pleated skirt that I wore the day before. And then I'm wearing a kind of like a short sleeve tan blouse with my nude heels. And I got my cardigan because it's rainy out. And I'm not gonna bring a purse because my husband's scared that people are gonna try to steal my stuff. So I'm just gonna bring my phone and my wallet. So if the quality is really bad in the next few clips or like when we're walking, it's because I'm using my phone. We is walking to dinner.
Sunset.
Yeah, we seriously thought that was the sunset, you guys.
You would not.
You did too.
한숨 같던 하루
It's freaking good.
Is it?
I guess I've just been living poor my whole life. Never had such good food.
Is it good?
내일의 희망을 노래할 수 있게 Link your arms to mine Heart to heart we try To be each other's light Forever Oh, may no lies be denied Let our children smile Don't be afraid You're not alone 깊게 패인 상처에 한마디 말이 위안이 될 리 없지만 곁에 있을게
I'm so full. The steak was so good though. I'm so full, you guys. I'm contemplating about my life. But the steak was so good. We were gonna drink after coming back, but there's so many people and we're so full. And the funny thing was, as soon as we walked into our hotel,
the entrance, one of the entrance is like right in front of the bar. So there's so many people, and we walked in and it smelled like liquor, and we started gagging because it was not pleasant at all. It was not fun. But I will see you guys tomorrow because I'm gonna rest up my feet and do my night routine, take off my makeup, play my game, and relax. See ya tomorrow.
Baby, you're so fine, baby, you're so fine. You won't blow my mind.